how to use the free Fathom AI note taker. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna download the Fathom AI from fathom.video/download. You're gonna download it for Windows. After you run the setup and finish with everything, let's open up Fathom. Let's click on it, and this window should pop out. Now, if you're using Zoom or Microsoft Teams, the Fathom desktop app is enough for those. However, if you're using Google Meet, you should download the Chrome extension. So let's download the Chrome extension because most people are using Google Meet. Fathom AI extension. Here it is, it's the first one. Let's just add it to your browser. And now simply just sign into your Fathom account. So let's first head over to the settings page. Let's go to the general settings and make sure you enable Google Meet here, you enable Microsoft Teams and Zoom if you're going to be using it. And now let's do a test call. Let's go to Google Meet. I'm going to start up an instant meeting. Let's do that right now. I'm going to make sure my microphone is enabled. Now in the meeting, you're going to click record this call using Fathom if you want to record the call. And just wait until your AI Fathom bot joins. Here we can see there's a guest waiting. I'm just gonna click here and admit entry. Now it's not gonna start recording until another person joins. However, you can skip this. I just need to wait a bit until, here it is, skip and start recording now. So let's do that now because I know no one's gonna join. And it's gonna start transcribing the meeting. Hello class, today we're gonna be talking about, so let's just end the recording here. We can exit the meeting. We can review the recording and the summary. Okay, so here it is. So here it actually figured out that a mock lecture was used. That's interesting. So we can go to the transcript. Here's the transcript of the whole meeting. We can ask Fathom anything about that happened in the meeting. About 200 kilograms heavier. Okay. So I asked it about something that I said and it gave an answer instantly. It all started when BAW wanted to make the E36. You can also share this recording. So for example, if you're a college student, some of your friends didn't come to the lecture, you can just share this recording with them. So let's copy link. I'm gonna open up a private window. So this is what your friends will see. They don't even need to log in or anything. They can just have the whole lecture and the summary and the transcript. Now, if you don't want the Fathom bot to appear in your meetings, because what professor, like maybe your professor allows the bot and maybe he doesn't, Fathom will still generate a transcript, AI summary, and action items without adding a visible participant to the call. Participants are still notified that the meeting is being recorded, even in bot-free mode. The difference is that there isn't a visible bot in the participant list. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.